the Diamond, which is to me the top of the line product for that application in the market today. It's something that's worry-free for me, and the less worries I have, the better I am.
What I've seen, Diamond products is outstanding longer than our normal products. And for me thinking, I think it's the gapping issues, letting the water go through. It's held up real well to our weather here in Florida with the sun beating down on it, and then with the rain coming out of nowhere. We always want to put in product that's going to last for everybody.
With the tapered tongue and groove that slides together real easily and also allows a self-gapping 1/8 portion of it, when we leave this product out in the rain, it performs. Its built-in water management system is really ingenious and time-saving and lets you sleep at night when you put it down. There's a warranty on it that says it will withstand elements even if you're not blacked in, which is a huge plus to me. It's just a superior product, and if it's an educated consumer, which again is what we deal with in this market, it's an easy sell.
Being superintendent out here, we have so many things on our mind, so many things we have to look after. This is just one thing to take off of the back of our minds.
Diamond and more specifically Weyerhaeuser. We know how long this company's been around, so to have the name Weyerhaeuser stamped on it and to have the technology behind Diamond has made it an easy sell once again.